Guys, it's nice. I've been missing in my life for hell.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Precious and I'm back again with another video, and today I'm just showing you a day in a life post call, what I would normally do a day after we've been on call. And one of the first things I'd normally do is just I sleep in. I take my time, I don't rush, I don't wake up early, and after that I just try to do any amount of cleaning that I can do. If it's laundry, like folding my laundry, or packing, if my things have just been everywhere, clean the room. That's what I try to do. Particularly this day I was very tired because the on-call day was quite hectic. I also would try to, if there's anything, because I don't have time to go into town and pick things, so just order my skincare products. So on-call for me is just a day where I chill, like especially if it's during the week, I chill. Just unpacking I've also unpacked my post-call bag. So after cleaning and packing things where they're supposed to be, I'm just unpacking my on-call bag, because normally I'm so tired, I just remove my lab coat with everything that's neat and I pack it in a bag. So I just try to remove the stuff, because I'm also about to start studying, so I need my books. Then I'll make myself a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or anything. Or just sit down and start studying. So right now, currently, I'm actually rotating in the cardiac unit. And one thing what I try to do when I start studying normally, especially like this is the first time I really sit ever since I entered this unit. So I'm just sitting down and writing down a note of the topics that I really need to pay attention to. Some things I need to revise, some things I actually don't even know, never had in my life, because I've got days like that, many actually. So I first make down a list just to help me, actually have a direction while I'm studying. And today particularly, I was just revising my pharmacology, so my hypertension drugs, heart failure drugs. So that's one thing that I was actually doing.
Let's just recap some physiology.
Time check, it's a few more minutes to 5 p.m. I'm actually now taking a break. Because I'm in the cardio unit, I've been revising my pharmacology for the heart drugs. But yes, for now I'm just going to take a shower and get back to you guys afterwards. So guys, I was studying and then I was called to test. Tshili Cakes has got new products.
I think it's the American way of saying it. One yet to name it properly. The American way of saying it is donut holes, but because of our environment and the African what I think donut holes will be more accepted.
Yes, these are the different flavors. I don't know. You can help us naming them.
This is crunchy. You can open the lid.
They look appetizing. Someone who's been studying the whole day.
This is mint.
Okay, so this is mint
chocolate, and then this one is white chocolate Oreo.
Guys, they smell amazing.
This one
some
PB
already
and
been
J.
eaten.
Some have been eaten-ish. I don't know. We've got people who store.
But yeah, this one is peanut butter and jelly. Like guys, if you don't have chili donuts in your life, I don't know what you're doing with your life, guys. They smell amazing. I'm a fan of chocolate and all, but we're gonna try this because it's a new product. So this is what mint chocolate. That's realize that my face is not showing. Guys, I don't like chocolate mint, but this is doing the thing. Guys, it's nice. I've been missing it in my life for... Hey! Check! It's nice. Try the next one.
Next,
Ha!
white chocolate Oreo.
White chocolate Oreo.
Yeah. Delicious.
Like all of them are nice, but I think this is my favorite.
You can
It's like a mouthful of goodness.
I know, right?
Okay. The last one. Hey! So I feel like I have to take 2 bites.
It doesn't have to.
Show them the inside.
Yummy.
So they've got jam or jelly in the middle, and then they've got peanut butter outside around them. Okay, advice: just go and buy. Come and buy. I mean, come and buy.
Go on.
Come and buy. Hey, all the details will be down in the description box.
Anyway, guys, after tasting the donuts, the new donut products, do check them out. We actually went out. We had a game night with some family, so we went out and we had such a good time, but I wasn't able to vlog, although this is not a normal everyday postcode day thing. But this particular day we had a family game night which I had to attend. But yeah, after the family game night, I actually had to go back and study because I had not finished some of the topics I wanted to achieve, and I didn't do the homework which some of the doctors wanted me to do. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, please comment in the comment section below this chat, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and please like this video. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is basically how my postcode days go, a lot of studying because I always feel like I need to catch up with something. But I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.